For years, Samsung has set the gold standard in smartphone innovation, consistently delivering cutting-edge features with its Galaxy S series. Yet whispers of a bold new addition to the Galaxy lineup have begun to stir excitement and curiosity. Imagine a phone that bridges the gap between sleek design and high-end performance, a device rumored to be the Galaxy S25 Slim. But there's a twist. This much-anticipated phone might not arrive alongside the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Galaxy S25 Slim, identified by the model number SMS937X, has popped up in multiple leaks, hinting at its place between the Galaxy S25 Plus, SMS936X, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, SMS938X. Interestingly, the latest beta code for Samsung's One UI 7.0 software includes references to the US versions of the Galaxy S25 series but skips any mention of the Slim model. This omission has sparked speculation that Samsung could be holding back its release, perhaps saving it for a later stage. Initial rumors suggest that the Galaxy S25 Slim might make its debut at Samsung's flagship Galaxy Unpacked event in 2025. However, newer reports cast doubt on this timeline, with many insiders now predicting a second-quarter launch instead. While this delay might disappoint some fans, it also hints that Samsung could be perfecting the device to ensure it stands out from the crowd. So, what makes the Galaxy S25 Slim worth the buzz? If the leaks are accurate, this phone could redefine the idea of a mid-tier flagship. The centerpiece of the Galaxy S25 Slim is rumored to be its 6.7-inch dynamic active matrix organic light-emitting diode display, boasting QHD plus resolution and a 120Hz variable refresh rate. This screen promises an exceptional viewing experience that adapts seamlessly to your needs. Beneath its sleek exterior, the Galaxy S25 Slim is expected to pack some serious power. It's rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip paired with 12 GB of random access memory, ensuring lightning-fast performance. Storage options may include 256 GB and 512 GB, catering to users who demand plenty of space for apps, media, and more. Despite these top-tier specs, the phone is expected to maintain a slender profile measuring less than 7 mm in thickness. To top it all off, the device is said to house a robust 4,700 mAh battery, promising long-lasting performance to keep up with your day. For photography enthusiasts, the Galaxy S25 Slim could be a game-changer. It's rumored to feature a cutting-edge triple-camera system on the rear, headlined by a massive 200-megapixel primary sensor. Supporting this powerhouse is a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom. Whether capturing expansive landscapes or detailed close-ups, this setup promises stunning versatility. Meanwhile, the 12-megapixel front-facing camera, likely carried over from its predecessors, ensures crisp selfies and smooth video calls. If these specifications prove true, the Galaxy S25 Slim could carve out a unique space in Samsung's high-end lineup. It seems designed for users who crave premium features in a more streamlined, stylish package. Unlike its bulkier counterparts, this device prioritizes sleekness without compromising on performance or functionality. As the wait continues, the absence of the Galaxy S25 Slim from early launch rumors only adds to the intrigue. Perhaps Samsung is setting the stage for a grand reveal, allowing the Slim model to take center stage later in the year. Whatever the case, this phone has already captured the attention of tech enthusiasts and smartphone lovers worldwide. The Galaxy S25 Slim could be the phone that surprises us all, a device that combines the elegance of slim design with the power of flagship technology. As Samsung gears up for another groundbreaking year, one thing is certain: the Galaxy S25 Slim might just steal the spotlight whenever it decides to arrive. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery-smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.